exhibition in Almaty. So it was my goal to hold on regular basis different events dedicated to strengthening ties between our business communities. Now, when it comes to your association, what I would suggest is to organize online session as a first step. Online session between Kazakh, appropriate business companies and your association to explore and to organize these talks at the expert level. I'm a diplomat. I have no knowledge in this field, in your area. So for me, it's better to invite those people who know the things and to discuss with you concrete projects that might be implemented in terms of developing cooperation. Once again, thank you so much for invitation. Thank you for attention. And my embassy, my team, we are open for any suggestions, any proposals to develop cooperation between our two brother nations. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I request Chief Coordinator and Group Chairman, Mr. Jahangir Kalpa, for his concluding remarks.